Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Swagbucks support team by phone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in swagbucks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Swagbucks website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can simply proceed with your email address and your password or your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can directly see various different offers. Now, if you wish to contact the support team, then scroll all the way down and then underneath Contact Us, click on Customer Support. Now, within this page, you will see various different options, but there is no phone number that you can find. In order to contact the support team, you will first need to create a ticket. Go ahead and click on the ticket option for your appropriate issue and then proceed with creating your support ticket. You can also click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Get Help. And now from the help page, click on Still Need Help at the bottom right corner. Now click on Contact Customer Support or put in a help ticket, and this will show you the guide that you can follow in order to contact the support team. Once you submit your ticket, you will see the description and a response, which will provide you with a Contact Customer Support button. You can simply click on this button and you will have the options to send an email or call a phone number to get in touch with the support team. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team by phone on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.